Hey everybody! I have a very quick card to make today. Not a whole lot of bling, not a whole lot of anything, but it's cute. So it's not going to take long at all. First of all, we're going to use a regular fold card. I know, it's way out of my league. We're going to use this as our card base. This, I'll have a description, and in that description of this video, you'll see where this is at Creative Fabrica. It's a beautiful strawberry theme that they have, and they have lots of different ways of putting the strawberries and the leaves and all that on there. So I printed this out for my background, and I'm going to put it right here on the paper. So let's do that. Honestly, I just used regular typing paper to print this out instead of cardstock. I have no idea if that's a good idea. I've never done that before. I usually use cardstock, but I'm digging these papers and I'm thinking, I got a whole lot of typing paper. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm showing my age. I have a whole type of keyboard paper, or whatever it's called, copy paper. Okay, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then this little guy, I pre-cut the corners so it would match perfectly. So we're just going to have this going this way. Hopefully it'll be perfect. And if it's not, it's okay. Oh, all right. It's kind of almost perfect. We're almost perfect. Hold on. All right, you know what? It's as perfect as it's going to get, I say, as I pull it up again to make it more perfect. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm going to leave it alone now. So there you go. Just gives it a little bit of pizzazz. And then here is our cute image also from Creative Fabrica. I'll leave a link to this also so you can go find him. And I used a stamp set that says spread love wherever you go. He's going to spread some love and strawberries. And we're just going to put him, and we can put him there. We can put him down here. Where do you think? Send me some vibes. Where do you think I should put him? Here? Or here? Or right dab in the middle? Okay, the vibes are coming from this way. So we're going to put him in the bottom. All right. Look at this little darling. He's so cute. And guess what? In minutes, you are finished with a beautiful card that somebody will very much appreciate, and you made it. If y'all end up making this card, please tag me somewhere so I can see what you did. We can share each other's little makes with each other and get some more ideas from you, and you can get some from me. It'd be great. That's all I got today. I didn't even have to put something on the inside because it's already white. So I don't need to put something on there for them to write on. They got plenty of space. That's it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. If you like the things that I'm doing, please like and subscribe and hit that little bell button. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much. Bye.